So this is the Lingolab platform, which can be great for practicing vocabulary. So let me show you some of the features. First of all, if you want to use your own sets, you click on Manage Sets and then click on Create Set. So you can either type in each term, or you can copy a list from an Excel sheet or from your Quizlet. So I've got this Quizlet here, this Quizlet list here. I'm going to click on Export. Okay, and then copy text. I'll go back to my Manage Sets. Click here, and I'm going to paste in that list that I copied. And there, that's it. I have my list of words. I'm going to add a name, give that set a name. It's going to be Click 3, Unit 3. Okay, now if I want to add pictures, I have to add the image URL. So I'm going to leave it now, but that's, if you want to add images, that's how you do it. I'm going to click on Save. And I have created a set, a new set, and I can see it here. Now, if I want to use it, I have to copy the link to its ID and then see what I can do with it. I'm going to go to Manage Quizzes, and I can create a quiz. I'm going to click on Create Quiz, and then click on Import Custom Set. Okay, and I'm going to paste that ID that I copied before over here, and then click on Import. And as you can see, the words have appeared here. Okay, and then I can decide if I want to use them all or only some of them. How I want the prompt to be, with a definition, full words or hidden letters. I'm going to leave it with full words. And I can use a text-to-speech, either off or leave it on. Over here, I'll write which class I'd like it to be for. So I filled out grade 4. I can add other classes also, but that's that for the meantime. And then I'm going to click on Create, and I have created an assignment. Let's click on the link here, and we'll see what it is. So the student gets the link, selects grade 4, writes his name. I'm going to write my name here, Maria, and then click on Start. And then I have to choose the correct option. So, Haima Tagaw, I can also listen. Do you live? And then choose the correct answer. Okay. Word. And so on and so forth. And then when they're done, they submit the quiz. So that was quizzes. Let's see some other features. If I want to share the assignments, I either can use the link or give them a QR code to scan. So what else is there? Let's look at the Lingo Bingo one, Lingo Bingo Live, which you can also create easily enough with the sets you have. So I'm going to click on Create Game, and then I'm going to choose Import Custom Set, just like before. I'm going to enter the set ID and then click on OK. And okay, so I can see I've got all these words already. They're here. They've appeared. The list has appeared. So now that I have my list ready, I can decide how many items I want to play with. And then I can click on Options and decide the size of my board, what I want to appear on the bingo squares, and what I want as cues. So I've chosen target word on the squares and definition as the corner cues. It could be a nice a first activity to have both target word and definition for the first time, but that's up to you. And now I can start the game. I can send a link or a room number or share a QR code. I have one player, so I can start the game. And Zippo, the player can see the word Zippo and look for the word in English. And then as I see, my player's got the word right, nobody has got it wrong, and I move on to the next one. And then that's Lashir. I can click on that one, and so on. Elephant, snake, animal. I'm just waiting for a bingo. And now we've got one bingo. Okay, and I can see players, how many they got correct, if they got any bingos, and so on. So that's the Lingo Bingo live game, which can be a very nice activity. If your school has one-on-one devices for your children, so you can play it in class, you can play it in the computer room. And if anybody here is still doing Zoom, so that will be also fantastic for Zoom. This is another game you can play. So I'm going to go to the Lingolab Live. And again, import a set and create a game. Click on game, custom, add the game ID as list ID. I got the words, decide on the options, and again, share my link or my QR code and start the game. I'll click on start game. This is the same as a quiz, but it's live, and it's as a multiplayer quiz game. So I hope you find this useful.